Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Yung mga ganong setup mechanics na meron yung side ng TNCZ4 ay more than enough for them to overwhelm their opponent. And kung kanina, no, nung game number 1, ang ginawa ng RSG El Ganador ay i-protect yung kanilang Harith. In this specific matchup, ang pinoprotect naman ng side ng TNCZ4 ay si Vin and this Noveria. Hindi nagiging kulang yung magic damage output coming from the side of TNC, mostly because of the fact na meron silang ability from Noveria, meron din silang ability from G's Guinevere. And hindi din sila lalong nagkukulang in terms of physical damage kasi nakikita natin na every time na nantatapak itong si Sharp with his Barats as well as Ajay with his Benedetta more than enough to burst down the damage dealers of the side of RSG El Ganador. Totoo yung chinika ni Ingan kanina na talaga nga namang no marksman, no problem, and mukhang ito yung hinuhubog na meta ng TNCZ4 considering na this is a global ban. Meron tayong global ban here in the MDL and yung pag-explore nila ng marami-raming options,
Savage!